Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows Store error 0xc03f300d. So friends, to fix this error, firstly click on Start and type Troubleshoot Settings. This one. So click on it. Scroll down. Here is the option Windows Store Apps. So click on it and click on Run the Troubleshooter. Wait for a while and follow the instruction. Click on Next, and hopefully this will fix this error. And if you will not fix this error, so you should try second method. So click on Start and type ws reset and right click on this run command and click on Run as Administrator. Now wait for a while. So friends, you will see this Microsoft Store error will be fixed and Microsoft Store will be open automatically. So that's it friend. By this easy and simple method we can fix this error. Please comment this video is work for you or not. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.